I've recorded this to solve an issue that I saw with my influxdb repository not being trusted. So I like to test things over and over again to make sure I'm giving you the correct information. So I created a new image, put Node-RED on, that went on really nicely. Followed my instructions for influxdb, which worked first time. Now I started to get some errors with the repository not being secure, and I scratched my head for quite a while on this one. There was plenty of videos online showing you different methods on how to fix this, but I finally got to the bottom of how to do it. And basically it's a file that influxdb installs in your apt directory, and there's a first bit of it where you've got to take it from the trusted source being in the cloud and just say trust completely, and I'll show you how to do that and how I fixed it. So you can see here now that I have influxdb running, so I'm probably just going to have to close that terminal down, and then let's reopen. So I need to get to my apt file, which is under my etc file. If I do ls on that, I will see a folder location called sources.list.d. So I just need to open that, and then hopefully under there you can see there's my Node-RED source list from Raspbian, so this must be what it's installing as part of the image, and then this influxdb list. Now there was various videos online telling you what to do. One of them was to delete it. Well, this is a write protected file, so I struggled on that, and then there was others telling you to edit this in a different file location where there was a master list, and I struggled with this, but this was consistently the place to go, and it seemed to work okay. So if we use the text editor, sudo nano influxdb.list, hopefully I've got that typed in right. If you haven't, then you'll have an empty file. See this section here in blue? When I opened this, it had some text in here linking to the repository in the cloud because it's HTTPS, with some security details, and I think that's what it was struggling with. So I've just set it to trusted yes. I'm happy I've used this before, and then Control X to save it. I haven't made any changes, but if I had, you'd have asked, you'd been asked yes, do that. And then I just went ahead with my command to install influxdb, which was this, which is where it was struggling before, and it worked fine. So yeah, sorry it didn't appear on the first video, but I've put this one, and I'll release the two videos at the same time with a link in the main video to this one. But really, this is a type of issue that you can have with the repository not being trusted or the credentials not being right, and by default your Linux operating system stops you from connecting to that. I'm not too sure why it happened. Like I say, the first time I ran it ran fine, but this time I had issues. But this is the fix. So thanks for listening. Hope we won't run into too many problems like this again in the future, but things like this, it took me an hour to find the real solution. So I've recorded this, so hopefully you can get to it a lot quicker. So thanks for listening. As always, click the bell. There's plenty of videos coming out. Hope to see you again soon. Cheers.